Welcome back. So what I want to be showing us today is how we can put some of our favorite coins in a list on Binance app, so that once you get into your Binance application, you'll be able to navigate to those coins in a jiffy. Binance, they're adding so much features on their app these days that it makes it all confusing, especially if you're a new crypto lover. If you're a new beginner in the crypto world, you might just see this video very helpful. So what you want to do right now, okay, just before I start, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, make comments, hit the notification bell, and then you'll be good for it. So let's go into our Binance app right now. This is Binance already opened. Okay, so as you all know, you have home, markets, trade, futures, wallet, and all of that. So it's amazing what Binance is doing, and they're really doing good. So now this is it. Now, once you log into your Binance, and Binance gives you a list of all these coins that are trending in the market. Now this is a new one, Thorn. That's Thorn right there. Okay, so now you have favorites, you have hot, you have gainers, you have losers, and you have the 24 hours and trading charts. So it's usually on the hot. So once you come right there on the hot, you see the list of coins that are currently trending that Binance wants you to see. Like I said, you have VIB just came, you have Thorn, you have MDX. So let's assume that you want Thorn to be in your favorite list of coins, so that you can easily navigate to those coins whenever you come to Binance and probably trade on those coins. What you do is you click on Thorn. For instance, I've clicked on Thorn. Okay, and it's going to show me the graphs, it's going to show me the markets and all of that. This is it right here. So now you can see that it has gone up by $1 plus cents. So but that's not where we're going to. Where we're going to is, once you look at my screen, my phone screen, if you look at the top right corner, you see you have where you have share. You can actually share, and you have this compare market logo. You have share, and you have this thing that looks like a star. If you look at the top right corner of my phone, you have this one that looks like a star. That star means you can click on the star to put this Thorn stroke BUSD, okay, in a bucket, that's in a list. Do you understand? So it's still doing so. It's because, okay, now you can see it's added to favorites, and now the star has come alive. It's now lighting. It was grayed out before, but now it has now been ticked. Okay, so now we've chosen Thorn to be in our list of favorite coins. So you now want to go back, click on the arrow back. Now this is home. It has taken us back to home. So the next thing, whenever you come into Binance, let me just go out of this so that it will be very understanding. So now I've logged out of my Binance. Now I just want to go back into my Binance app. I'm going back into my Binance app. So I don't want to be looking for that Thorn stroke BUSD app every time I come into Binance. So what I want to do is I just want to go to where the coins is immediately and see what is going on with the coins. All you need to do is, once it brings you home here, sorry about my network, once it brings you home here, you click on, if you look below my phone screen where you have home, markets, trade, futures, wallet. So all you need to do is click on markets. Click on market. Once you click on market, it brings you the list of coins that the list of coins you have put into your bucket as favorite. If you look below this list of coins, you can see Thorn right here. This is Thorn. You can see Thorn right here. This is Thorn already. You can actually even move to the top. You can move it to the top. Okay, you can move it to the top. You can create a list of priority for your coins. So that's it. You have favorites, you have sports, you have futures, you have zones, and all of that. So it's already in your favorite. So each time you come to your favorite, just click on the Thorn. Once you click on Thorn, it's going to give you the same details you had seen when you were on home, and then you can trade. You can just click on buy. All right, you can click on buy, or you can click on sell Thorn. Okay, so that's what I want to show you guys. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. Once again, if this video makes sense to you, you can like the video, make comments, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in future. Bye for now.